Find viral video ideas with AI. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to find viral video ideas for YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram in just a few minutes. So stick with me till the end. All right, let's get into it. First, head over to ChatGPT. This is your secret weapon. All you need to do is type in a prompt like, give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas in the personal finance niche, or what are trending video topics in fitness for TikTok? ChatGPT will give you ideas based on current patterns, hooks, and what's working on those platforms. Now let's take it a step further. Use Google Trends to validate those ideas. Just type in the keywords ChatGPT gave you, and you'll instantly see if people are searching for them. Next up is vidIQ. It's a YouTube keyword research tool powered by AI. This is gold. It uses AI to give you topic ideas based on your niche and what's performing well on similar channels. Here's a quick workflow you can follow. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas. Google Trends for validating them. vidIQ or TrendTalk to track what's hot. Then use tools like Canva or CapCut to create your content fast. And that's it. Using these AI tools, you can come up with viral video ideas in any niche and start creating content that actually gets seen. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in next one.